Hello, everybody. This is just a reminder of things you can work on today. Just because we don't have office hours does not mean that um, no school should be done today. Um, a couple of reminders before I go through the agenda. If I go to Google Classroom, and I'm going to go ahead and put it towards the top. Right here. Oh no, sorry, your schedule, daily schedule. I'm going to put that at the top, but 12 of you have not turned this in. So my concern is that you're not using your schedule to help you get things done throughout the day. Remember, if you click on your schedule, it really gives you an idea of what you could be doing and trying to accomplish. So please refer to this the best you can. Um, I'm having a realization that there's quite a handful of you who are not accomplishing work throughout the day, telling your families that you don't have homework. As things have changed and we don't necessarily have the same type of homework as we did while at school at Pomeroy, we are still required to work through our content assessments, and we're doing our best to get through those PLP projects that we have yet to complete. I'm also trying my best to get you through the math content for sixth grade. So those of you who are doing your work, that is fantastic, and I'm so proud of you. And for those of you who might not be, let's go ahead and get on task and get some work completed. All right, so for today, I've just made a list of things that you can be working on. If you need to see my schedule, here's the link. But today, this morning at 8 o'clock, I'll be doing a small group on sentence patterns. And then the rest of the day is pretty scheduled, and we won't be having office hours due to our teacher parade. I really hope I get to see you all out there. I will link in Google Classroom the maps that were shared from Miss St. Ten on Parent Square so that you can come out to those main streets and see us teachers. I might have a fun little personalized message for you on my car, so I hope to see you out there. And then Peacemakers, I don't actually think there's a meeting today, but I'm not sure. But it's on there just in case. All right, and then for today, don't forget to do a journal entry. You should be doing those daily. For Unit 7, to take some time to study this morning, I'd like you to do the next 4 cool downs in PLP and see what you can do. Let me know if you have any questions. For writing my own myth, make sure you're caught up on checkpoint 3. And then for organization of societies, you can use the office hours where we normally would meet for class and maybe work with your group or on your presentation today. Remember, we're trying to get those presentations finalized as soon as possible. And I've worked with each group to give you some individualized instruction, so make sure that you are doing those things. There were a few of you who left class early on Monday and did not talk to me about your presentation, so you need to get a hold of me. I will do my best to get a hold of you, but just in case, talk to me about if you're confused on what to do. And then finally, I have contacted everybody's parents, and I've contacted all of you who are possibly on the list for summer school. Remember, it's an opportunity to get those content assessments done. So if you haven't completed your content assessments by the end of the year, you have the option of going to summer school, especially those of you who might be fairly behind in your content assessments. This is more of a requirement. For those of you who might just have a few that you're behind on, I'm challenging you to try and get them done by the end of the year. But if you need a couple extra days, you can use a couple days in summer school and get them done. And if you finish early, you finish summer school early. It's kind of nice. All right. And that is it. If you have any questions or have any needs, let me know. I am still available per my email. Have a wonderful Wednesday, everybody, and I can't wait to see you at the car parade.